In this video, I will be showing you how I make ChatGPT stop using em dashes in its responses to ensure the text fits the specific style and formatting I need for my projects. I'm starting right here on the home page, ready to draft a new request. To begin the process, I'll click into the main message bar at the bottom and type out my primary request, which in this case is a detailed summary on the importance of mental health and wellness. To ensure the punctuation is exactly what I want, and to avoid those long horizontal bars that sometimes clutter the text, I'll add a very specific custom instruction at the end of my prompt. I'm going to tell ChatGPT explicitly not to use em dashes under any circumstances throughout the entire response. To be even more helpful and clear with my formatting rules, I'll also suggest that it should use alternative punctuation, like commas, periods, or semicolons, to break up the sentences instead. This level of detail helps the AI understand the exact linguistic tone I'm looking for. Now that my prompt is fully constructed with these stylistic constraints, I'll click the Send button to process the information. As the text begins to generate in real time, I'll scroll down carefully to review the summary and confirm that the AI followed my formatting rules perfectly. By providing these direct constraints right in the chat, I can save myself a huge amount of time on manual editing and ensure the content is ready to be used immediately in my own documents or scripts. If you found this quick tip for customizing your AI's writing style helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.